We noticed a stray near our sanctuary who was clearly a new mom, but we couldn't find her puppies anywhere. We gained her trust by giving her food and water. The next day, we actually went back to the area because we were so determined to rescue the whole family. Workers nearby said they had seen puppies in what they called a fox den, and they offered to help us rescue them. It was a really dangerous situation because we didn't want the ground to cave in on the puppies. Oh my God. It was such a tight space. I was the smallest person there, so I crawled in to get all of them.
What?
After a couple of very stressful hours, we finally got all 3 puppies out. It was very clear that they had never been touched by a human before.